everybody. Let us discuss about language and its function. In this, let us have a glance over the meaning, definitions of language and functions of language. First of all, meaning of language. Language is vast repertoire of words. The English word language has been derived from the Latin word lingua, which means tongue. French term langue and parole also bear similar impression on languages. Language is necessary for speaking, learning, reading, writing. It is a type of abstract knowledge. So keep in mind, French term langue and parole also bear similar impression on languages. So let us take definitions of language. Edward Sapir, he defined language a purely human instinctive method of communicating ideas, emotions, and derives by means of a system of voluntarily produced vocal symbols. Second definition, according to Otto Jespersen, a set of human habits, the purpose of which is to give expression to thoughts and feelings, and especially to impart them to others. So these are the two definitions of language. Let us take functions of language. There are three functions of language. Number one, informative function, that is to communicate information to others. Second function is expressive function, that is to express feelings, emotions, thoughts, attitudes, and to evoke similar feelings or thought in the reader. Among the readers, you have to evoke all these thoughts. Third one, the third function is directive function, that is to cause or prevent actions. For example, when a teacher asks a pupil to read a lesson aloud or give the answer to a question, the instruction is not to communicate information or to work or to evoke a particular emotion, so that to cause action of the indicated type. So these are the three functions of language. We have learned about the meaning of language, definitions of language, and three functions of language. Hope you got the information. Be at home, Let us fight against COVID-19.